Even the best intended firewall rules may become obsolete over time. New rules get added, networks get redesigned, and somewhere in that history, a rule that looked valid on paper quietly stops doing anything, because another rule higher in the policy already matches that traffic first. That's a shadow rule. But it's still there, adding noise to your security posture, expanding your attack surface, and making every audit harder than it needs to be. Finding these manually means reading through policy tables, rule by rule, device by device. In a complex enterprise environment, that's not a realistic ask. Here's how we approach it with IP Fabric's MCP server. We start with a simple prompt, which you can find in our prompt guide, which will be linked below. We set the target snapshot, in this case, the last collected snapshot, and instruct the model to pull all shadowed firewall rule data directly from IP Fabric. It finds the last snapshot, queries the firewall rules data across every device, and builds out the full picture. The AI assistant analyzes all rules received from the platform and finds the ones that are being shadowed across which policies and on which devices. No exports, no scripts, no spreadsheet wrangling. The data is already there, normalized and structured, because IP Fabric has already modeled the network. From there, the model generates a complete PDF report. You get an executive summary with headline stats, total rules analyzed, total shadowed rules found, affected devices, affected policies, followed by a detailed findings section, grouped by device. For every shadowed rule pair, you can see exactly which rule is blocking it and why it will never match. The whole process takes about the time it takes to make a coffee. For security teams, this becomes a fast, repeatable input into firewall policy optimization reviews. For compliance teams, it's documented evidence that your policies are being actively audited and rationalized, not just assumed to be correct. IP Fabric gives you the network truth. The MCP server lets you put it to work, on demand, in plain language. That's a powerful combination to set the stage for your AI ops initiatives. Thank you for watching and have a great day.